Okay, welcome to lesson number 2 on place value of whole numbers. So understanding place value is important for everyone who handles money. Bank tellers, grocery store cashiers, and even you. Let's look at this example. Jason received this paycheck from his part-time job. Take a closer look to see how much he earned. So we look at the check. Here's $1,652 written over here to the right. Okay, this went to Jason, signed by his employer. Jason's paycheck shows that he made $1,652. This amount can be shown as follows. So if we look at thinking of place number, if we think of place value, we have the type of bill. So this would be the same as saying he had one $1,000 bill, 6 $100 bills, 5 $10 bills, and 2 $1 coins. So 1,600s, 5 10s, so 50, and 2. $1,652. So here's the breakdown of money. This breakdown of money uses place value. Jason has 1 bill in the thousands, 6 bills in the hundreds, 5 bills in the tens, and 2 coins in the ones position. Place value and large numbers. Sometimes we need to recognize the value of large numbers to understand the world around us. Here's an example. The distance between the Earth and the Moon is about 385 million meters. Zeros are used as placeholders, as you saw in the Math Antics video. The circumference of the Earth is approximately 39,930,000 meters, and the circumference of the Moon is approximately 6 million meters. So here is your practice for today's lesson. We're going to look at this following paycheck and answer these questions. How much did Jason earn? Say the number out loud. How many of each bill and how many coins did Jason earn? Okay, so the number is slightly different than in the example, so you're going to fill this out the same as you saw in the example. And here's another one. Okay, a different amount. Jason has a new check. Okay, so you're going to, again, say the number out loud and write how many of each bill he would receive. Okay, if we looked at the place value there. Number 3, fill in the amounts in their correct place values. The first one is done for you. So again, here's just some check numbers, and we're placing the numbers in their correct place value from thousands to hundreds, tens, and ones. So question number 4, say each number out loud, then identify the place value of the underlined numbers. So say the number and identify the place value. For example, in this one, the place value is the tens place. Okay. For this one, we're in the hundreds place. Okay, so you're going to write that in here. Place the circumferences of the Earth and Moon in the chart below. Say each number out loud. So here are those numbers again, and you're going to place each number in the place value that it belongs in. Okay. Question number 6. Locate several sources of information involving large numbers such as distances, world populations, and sizes of rivers, lakes, and buildings. So in this one here, you already on Google Classroom, so you have access to Google, so you can just Google some numbers. Maybe Google a population size of a country that you're interested in or that has some meaning to you, or maybe you can, how about Google the salaries of some of your favorite sports players. Okay, so pick a few different things. Do at least 3 or 4 different numbers. Okay, so then you're going to put them in the place value chart. Okay, you should have a place value chart printed for you for this lesson. If you don't, just ask your teacher and he will give one to you. Remember that place value chart is the one that looks like this here. Okay, so you're going to place your numbers in this place value chart. Oops. All right. Question number 7. Some more values here. In the left column, the table shows the amount of money collected from charity drives for the last 6 years. Complete the place value chart for the total of each year. So this is money collected for charities. Again, placing this into the place value chart. And same here below, these 4 numbers. Place these correctly into the chart. And that's it. That's the assignment. Okay, so when you're done, of course, make sure you show your teacher. He or she will give you the answer key for you to make any corrections, and then you can move on to the next lesson.